Mom, this looks amazing.
This is a feast.
Hey, Lizzie.
You made all of this, didn't you, Mom?
Butter noodles with some ham. Do you want potatoes?
Is that homegrown asparagus?
Just these two?
First of the season.
Let me get some carrots. Are you corn too? Like corn?
I got one of these. And I had a basket. I brought one of these rabbits. I brought. Yeah. I can't chew through it. But I want everything else. Alright.
Knox, where's your plate?
My teeth are
Okay.
So you think the Advil really helps out?
I want. Okay, everybody sit down here. Sit down. We're gonna let Emma and Brendan and Isaac and
Emma, your first pick on the chocolate daddy. Run over and get the big pick.
I also tried. I also tried to jump off.
we're gonna break it up.
Mommy, Ellen, Mom, do you want a tray that you can put it in, like a 8.5 by 11?
Have a good life in Spain.
Why is that?
I don't know why. That's such culture there.
Yeah.
They are just like.
Give me this kick, everyone. And I have a hit. It's a piñata.
Emma, are you gonna hit it?
She wants the ice. Emma said she wants the ice.
Well, we're gonna have some trouble here. This one's breaking. Okay, boys, sit
Emma
down.
said she wants the ice.
Sit down on the ground. Here's some chocolate. Emma.
Really good. Really good. I want the bunny ears. Can I have the bunny ears? I like the forehead. Can I have the bunny ears? I want the base. Can I have the ears? Can I have the ears? Can I have the base? Nice piece. Can I have the ears? I want this. Can I have the mouth?
You want to carry that out all you?
Smoking so fast.
Emma, did you get chocolate?
Yeah.
Take it to the mommies. See if they want it.
Bring it up. I was going to carry it up. No, I don't want to. Thank you there, Brendan. I do.
Here, Brendan, come over here and chuck it up. Yeah, I think. He's gonna toss it up.
That'll be.
There's Mountain Mama all dressed up for Easter. Do you guys have a message for neighbor Phil and Eileen?
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you for all the sweet treats.
They were so
Thank
surprised.
you for the hot sauce. I didn't really want any treats. I only wanted Yours.
Whoa, there's Easter bags too?
Am I allowed to? Emma! This is gonna be big. I'm like already finished it. I need to do like a lot of details left. So now you're making your own. Actually, it's not really like a oh, you're making a joint. Okay, so make 2 of those.
Let me see him, Isaac.
Yeah,
Isaac, show him to the camera.
I finished the robot. Wait, can I do something?
You don't run with a knife. Hey, Emmy Lou. Kids, get in there with Grandma. Look here. Isaac, Emma. Isaac, Emma. 3, 2, 1. Show that to the camera. That's a fat asparagus.
Those are very pretty ones. They're my favorite ones. And I'm gonna be
Here, Brendan, give it here.
They're gonna be for Grandma.
careful, don't break it. I'll show you. I'm going to keep the basket on the porch so that every time you come, you can pick your asparagus. The next time will be Saturday.
We got lots.
Okay. Wow, that is going to be so good.
Okay, here's one for you, Brendan. That has a peachy center. They're my favorite ones.
Okay, there's Emma.
Say bye. What's this? Emma,
It's
say
a
bye.
helicopter.
What is the movie about?
It says Combat Story.